नमस्ते एवरीवन, खुश रहिए। आई JVN Lakshmi Sangit, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Law and Governance, Department of Management and Commerce. My subject is Introduction to Retail Operation. Today I am going to discuss about the method of discount and sales price. So let's start with first method. So in first method, you have to convert the percentage discount to decimal. So how can we do this? Uh, let the percent number with a decimal to the right of last digit. So move the decimal point to place to the left to get the converted decimal. You can use the percentage sign on a calculator also. For example, if you might want to calculate the sale price of a pair of shoes and you have to and the shoes are 25% off, you need to convert that 25% to decimal, like 25% equals to 25.00%. That means the percentage convert to points, that is 0.25, or by multiplying the original price by the decimal. Like you can multiply the decimal by hand or use a calculator, both. So I will tell you the how we'll calculate. For example, to find the 25% discount on a pair of shoe which price is 69.95. So then how will you calculate it? So you can take the 69.95% into 0.25, which you already calculate the percentage into decimal point. We will take 25%, which we converted in decimal, that is 0.25. So 69.95 into 0.25. Then you will get the result, which is 17.49. Now, the 17.49 is the price which you want to discount, which is 25% off. So you have to subtract the discount from original price, like 69.95 minus that amount, which is 17.49. Then you get your result, which is 52.46. So I think you will understand from this. What you have to do is convert the percentage into decimal, which we are going to off. Okay. Then multiplying the original price by decimal, that is 69.95 into 0.25, which you have already converted the percent to decimal. Then the result is 17.49. Now 69.95 minus 17.49, which you have subtracted the discount from original price. So this is the first method in discount and sales price. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box so I will resolve it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.